At bigger levels, it all starts with three basic ingredients: sugar, corn syrup, and water, cooking, and being untied to each other to create a thick, sticky, sugary paste. After that, they mix them up and heat them until they turn into a sticky sweet syrup at about 240 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is super important to get marshmallows just the way we like them. Spot these fluffy and jiggly strings. After adding gelatin and other flavorings, you get these best things ever happen to your lives. That fluffy mix is pushed through a machine that shapes it into long ropes and entangled into one another, forming those beautiful rainbow patterns. These marshmallow sticks are carefully covered in powdered sugar to keep the yummy filling safe and soft. After they dry, you're left with a sweet treat that can instantly make your day better. Who needs paint and clay when you have marshmallows? These squishy cubes of joy are not just for eating. They've been used to create sculptures and art pieces. Honestly, I'll not ruin my marshmallow for painting. See how they cover these marshmallow ropes with sugar powder from the extruder, so that there is no part without sugar. It looks like a lot of snow has fallen in some northern places. These ropes are then cut into small pieces, and each piece gets a little coat of cornstarch and powdered sugar. This keeps them from sticking together so they don't turn into a giant marshmallow blob. And along with that, they pass these small cut chunks of marshmallows through the sieves with vibrations so that they remove any extra sugar from them, and your taste is not spoiled. You must have seen restocking a lot, so let me show you how this gentleman is restocking these waffle-like biscuits with such elegance that the conveyor belts spread them in a good order, and then a tank filled with marshmallow cream, with the help of its advanced nozzles, secures the marshmallow on top of the biscuits so that every bite has a different taste. I don't know about eating, but this process looks very yummy and satisfying to watch. Here are your marshmallow stuffed waffle biscuits ready, and look at the uniform shape and smoothness of all of them, thanks to the advanced machines. Do you know that the fun doesn't end here, but now these marshmallow treats will be dipped in chocolate and coated with a crispy and crunchy layer that will create a blast of flavors in your mouth. These double-coated chocolate marshmallow treats are even more enhanced and delicious. They look extremely yummy and mouth-watering. Do you know the name of these sweet treats? If yes, then please let us know in the comments section. Here is the final step, where shredded coconut is sprinkled on top of these sweets to give them a final shape. Isn't it a complete package? Did you know the marshmallow originally comes from a plant? Yep, there's an actual marshmallow plant, and way back when, people made candies from its sap. These treats come in various flavors, toppings, and designs, so don't get confused, and I must say try them all. Speaking of toppings, this specially made chocolate chips topping is also for these marshmallows, which will enhance their taste and unique appearance even more. One thing, making these pretty and fragile sweets was simple, but handling them was hard. That's why I'm curious how they will be packaged so that these chocolate-dipped marshmallows don't get spoiled at all. Look, they have also started to unwrap these premium boxes in which they will place the prepared marshmallows one by one and pack them so that these sweets remain the same as they were made until they reach you. Not just a feast for the eyes, these colorful marshmallows can sometimes be flavor adventurers too. Each color might whisk you away to a different taste, and maybe pink tastes like strawberries on a sunny day, or blue like a sip of the ocean sky. Okay, I might have exaggerated a bit. One thing is certain, handling these delicate sweets properly requires very powerful and efficient machinery that can deliver good results every time without any mistakes. For example, these advanced machines are made with the help of many unique tools to wrap and package these fragile items. They pick up each product separately and wrap them very neatly like a human, but the difference is that they don't get tired and they can do the work of 100 people at once. And you won't have seen a better option than these, which lift the product very delicately, wrap it, Seal it and convey it back to the main packaging belt, right? The main job of wrapping machines isn't just to make candies look pretty, it's also to keep them fresh. By sealing the sweets away from air, these machines make sure the treats stay delicious until they reach your mouth. One of the most impressive aspects of marshmallow extruders is their ability to produce marshmallows at astonishing speeds. They can churn out hundreds, if not thousands, of marshmallows per minute, making them the best and quickest snack to grab for your next sugar cravings. Do you want to know what is being made here? Here, they are preparing fluffy marshmallows with a hot pink and white color contrast, for which they use special edible flavors and colors to protect you from any kind of harmful chemicals or contacts. Typically, to produce marshmallows that are light, airy, and hold their shape well, you might find that about 1.5% to 2% of the total weight of the mixture is gelatin. If we break down the maths for a 500-gram pack of marshmallows, this means using roughly 8 grams of gelatin. This amount can ensure that the marshmallows puff up just right, maintaining that delightful bounce and chewness. Large-scale production brings with it the magic of consistency. Thanks to precise machines and controlled processes, every marshmallow comes out as perfect as its siblings. This means that soft, squishy texture and just right sweetness are the same in every bite. Do you like these chocolate candies with seeds and protein? If not, then maybe after watching this video, you will want to try these candies for sure. First of all, they make a smooth consistency chocolate syrup and add any desired seeds, wheat, or protein extension to it. Then they mix them well, so that later they can make big cylindrical rolls by pressing and grinding them. These rolls are easy to feed into the candy extruders, and you can get countless chocolate candies with the help of this process. Then comes the coating of these candies. Yes, they will also coat them with powdered sugar, because it makes the candy as lightweight and delicious as you can't even imagine. These candies now come in many shapes from hearts to stars, and you must have guessed the speed of these machines. They'd make about 45 to 50 kilograms of candies in an hour. After putting the candies in the extruder, the next step is to select any desired shape, for which they click some buttons on the auto system, select the shape, and voila! These machines start making candies of the same shape for you. Now it's time to add more rolls, because with the speed they are working, they can easily make 1 million candies in a day. And now it's time for the bar-shaped candy land, and also these rings or gear-shaped candies, which will be coated with sugar powder later. Chocolate lovers? Yes, we have a special treat for you too. And look here, they have activated this chocolate pool, and now they will dip all these snacks in half chocolate and take them out. Actually, the machines will do all this by themselves. Food production has come a long way from manual labor to high-tech machinery that can do the work faster, more accurately, and with less waste. That's where these advanced and quick-working machines stand. Jam biscuits, anyone? These are very soft and fluffy biscuits that have a layer of jam sandwiched between 2 biscuit layers. These are pretty simple, but making them is a cool mix of science and kitchen magic, especially when machines are involved. They're a perfect example of how a few basic ingredients can be turned into something super fun and tasty. That's not the end of your fun. If you want to spice up your time with more amazing and bulk production videos, we're right here.